1, 2, 3. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. One more time. I think I caught you off guard. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Ladies and gentlemen, our beautiful hula dancer is Jennifer Kehaulani Oyama Kempfort of Halau Naumamo Opu Nanahulu. And again, please welcome Keaho with Zach Love.
Zach Love, everybody.
Fabulous job, gentlemen. Thank you so much again. Hey, by the way, we want to thank Mountain Apple for being here throughout the weekend. We have sort of a little Mountain Apple store going on.